Hey guys, we come for dinner. It's projector. They're showing some movies. And this is the restaurant. This is the dining area. Night, morning. We'll show you the breakfast. So this is how it looks like. That side, it's the backwater. That's actually a bonfire area. The music is coming from is the bar and restaurant. They serve alcohol. Hey guys, we came for the dinner. That's a buffet. So this is tomato soup. This is rasam. This is bhindi masala. Veg kadhai. Paneer maharaja. This is jeera rice. Steamed rice. And dal tomato. Chicken broccoli. This is fish deep fry. And coriander chicken curry. This is dessert. Thank you. Sandesh. Gaja. Caramel bread pudding. And these are veg broccoli, zucchini, apple salad. Hey guys, good morning. We are at Jungle Come Backwater. It's a morning. It's cloudy today, and we'll leave for breakfast after some times. You can see it's a cloudy morning. Sun doesn't come out today. Hey guys, we are going for the breakfast. We are just late. Breakfast started at 8 o'clock. Right now it's 8:35. But the morning was a bit gloomy and there's no sunshine. So we are just heading for the breakfast. It's so calm inside. There are many trees and plants, which I like most on this resort. This is the view from restaurant. We just come for the breakfast. It's totally cloudy today. Bhaji. This is kodu puttu. There are veg pulao and veg noodles here. Apple cider. and some boiled vegetables here, coconut chutney, boiled egg. This is chicken curry. This is, I think that's Coorg special, Coorg curry. Cornflakes and bread and butter. We just finished our breakfast and now we are moving around here and there. I just wanted to show a couple of rooms available with this resort, and this is the cottage room available, and this one is there are a couple of other rooms. You can see this one. This is almost same as we are staying, the deluxe room, and there is another one. You can see this one. This is a nest room available. There are 6 rooms. I think this is our jungle camp studio room. These are cottage room available. These are their nest room. There are 6 nest room available here. Hey guys, we'll check out from Coorg Jungle Camp Backwater Resort now. So you saw the stay was good. The view is really awesome. We enjoyed a lot, and the room is neat and clean. The hospitality is really good for this hotel, and I have booked this hotel through Make My Trip app, and that cost around 7,725 for this deluxe room with balcony. And we talked about some other room also. We have shown you to some other room also. So the room is good, food also is good, and plantation trip, the tea plantation trip, so that was really good. You should not miss that. So thanks guys, stay with us, enjoy this video, and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.